So the question is, what is 45% of 412? So let's write down 45 per 100. So that's 45%. So the total is 100 and 45 is part of it. So we can write this as equal to, so the question here is, what is 45% of the total, which is 412? So 412 is the total, and we are trying to figure out 45% of it, which is part of it. So part over whole is equal to part over whole. And we've set up a proportion or an equation. Now all we have to do is solve it. Let's just cross multiply. So 45 times 412 is equal to 100x. We divide both sides by 100. And solve for x. So if we had to do this by hand, we could multiply 45 and 412. And you can double check this. You can pause the video and make sure that you're getting this number, 18,540 divided by 100. Now dividing by 100 is easy because all we have to do is shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. For every 0 you go 1 place to the left, so 2 zeros 2 places to the left, and you get 185.4, and that's equal to x. So let's look at the final answer. 45%, 45 over 100 is equal to 185.4 out of 412. Now let's look at it in a different way. What is 45% of 412? So let's say we don't know what it is, so we're going to say blank, which is x, is equal to 45%, 45 over 100 of, so that's times 412. Do you see that this is exactly the same as what we got here? So x is 45 times 412 divided by 100. So x is equal to, we can do the calculations. We've already done it on the left side. So that is equal to 18,540 divided by 100, and that gives us 185.4. So these are two different ways of solving it. One is by using proportions, the other is just by setting up an equation.